Alright, welcome to Dart University. We're going to talk about lash. It's a confusing topic. There's different ways to do it. We're going to show you two. One's going to be for mild build cams, but if you've got a roller, a big roller, you might want to try the second one. It's going to ensure your valves are lashed properly. So we're going to get TDC on the cylinder, number one. And yep, you can hear the compression stroke there. So we're on TDC. Now we can set both lash for intake and exhaust. Now all we got to do once we've set our lash is we can go into firing order. On the Chevys, 1, 8, 4, 3, 6, 5, 7, 2. So I can go about 90 degrees and I'll be TDC on number 8. So if I come up here to number 8, now I can set both of these. Now if I got hydraulic, what I want to do is I want to start tightening this down and I want to feel my push rod. Just when all the lash goes to 0 and I feel a little tension there, then I can give it another 1/2 to 3/4 of a turn. Now I've got my push rod and everything in my hydraulic circuit just enough. Everything is set right, I can lock it down. Now if I'm doing mechanical lash, well, I'm going to get my feeler gauge out, I'm going to set it to spec. Ideally you're going to do it hot, cold, you'd set it a little bit different, maybe go back and adjust it when it's running. Now that's the easy method, so I can do a whole cylinder at a time. Now if I've got a big duration cam, I got to make sure I'm on my base circle. And these big, especially roller cams, the base circle is actually pretty small and I might have a ramp leading into my big lift. So what we're going to do, we'll come back here to the number 1 cylinder. I'm going to watch my exhaust. So my exhaust just starts to go down. Now I'm on my base circle for my intake, so I can set this one. Well, I can go through my firing order again. I'm not going to set both, but I'm just going to do my intakes. So I'll go 90 degrees. I can watch over here. Now this intake's ready to go. So I can go through all my intakes that way, so they're all done. Then I can come back and I can start over again. I can start doing my exhaust. So I'm going to go through a little bit different. I'm going to wait for my intake to go all the way down, and then just as it's starting to come back up, now I'm on my base circle for my exhaust. I can do the same thing. Set my lash, lock it down, go through cylinder by cylinder, and I'm all done. Little extra steps, it's just insurance to make sure you got it right.